Are you having trouble with Instagram not working? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some helpful tips to get you back on track. And stay with us until the end, as we'll also share a bonus tip on how to discover who blocked or muted your Instagram account. So let's get started. Firstly, check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector. Simply go to your browser and type downdetector.com. In the search bar, enter Instagram and click on the corresponding account. Here, you'll find real-time updates on the service status, along with a live outage map. If Instagram seems fine for others but not for you, it might be a software discrepancy. Try closing and reopening the app. On Android, you can force the app to close by going to Settings, then visit the Apps section, Instagram, and force stop. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it via the Play Store. Also, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the Play Store, tap on your profile icon, go to Manage Apps, and check for updates available. If there's an update for Instagram, go ahead and install it. Another simple way to fix your issue is to reboot your device. Press the power and volume buttons together and tap on the restart button. Now, let's check your internet connection. Open your browser and visit a random page to verify it's working. If you use a VPN, try turning it off. If you're still stuck, review app permissions to ensure Instagram has access to specific phone functions. Open Settings, go into Apps, find Instagram, and tap on it. Under Permissions, grant access to each section under Not Allowed. Your cache can sometimes be the cause of your problems. On Android, you can clear the Instagram app's cache in Settings. Apps, Instagram, Storage and Cache, and just tap on the Clear Cache button. If you're facing an issue where you can't follow any more people, you may have reached the maximum limit of 7,500 follows. In this case, you'll need to unfollow some accounts to follow others. And if you've tried all these steps and Instagram is still misbehaving, consider visiting their help center or report the problem. Go to Profile, tap on the three-line menu button, then Settings and Privacy, Help, and report a problem. That's it. And as a thank you for staying with us until the end, here's a bonus tip on discovering if someone blocked or muted you on Instagram. Download Follow Meter from the Play Store, sign up, and follow the provided instructions. The app will give you access to information such as who unfollowed, muted, and blocked you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlist of Instagram tutorials.